I'm Buddika Jayaweera, currently working as the Chief Internal Auditor of the Homeland Group of Companies. Today, we are privileged to have a good experience in Toyota Lanka Private Limited. It is a workshop they have organized for Toyota Experience Leadership Workshop. Actually, it is they have given us good exposure in the international, how multinational companies are working. Not only that, their culture and their manufacturing facilities and how they are managed properly in the local context as well as international context. So we greatly thankful for the Toyota team, Toyota management, chairman and the CEO, as well as this program organized by the Global CEO Forum. So thank you very much for giving us a good opportunity to explore the international working experience in Sri Lanka. Thank you.
Global CEO Magazine. Global CEO Magazine, inspiring excellence.